That is it, Ringo. So what's happening right now then?
Come and have a look.
The last, yeah?
Last little cuts.
I'm going to take this down to the people by the police station.
Yes.
Because they never move
Yes.
and they drink alcohol all the time.
Okay.
And they need nutrition. Take it down to them,
Yeah.
give it out,
Yeah.
and they're blessed.
Good vibes.
I'm going for soup.
Well, you can eat it here and drink it.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
This is for everyone.
Yeah.
Mate, by the chef there.
Yeah. Bless you.
Banana. Your banana. Help yourself.
No.
Free. Come on, man.
I got 2 bananas. In mine, 3. I got 3 bananas.
Okay.
I just come from the bus. I just arrived. Nobody there. Have a look. Don't worry.
I never worry.
Ringo Vision. Ringo Vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Oh gosh, say when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Ringo Vision. Ringo Vision. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision. Ringo got the vision. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Ringo Vision. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Oh gosh, see when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Ringo Vision.
You want some bread as well?
Yes, please, bro.
Here you go.
Thank you. If you don't mind. Thank you, brother.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah.
Blessings.
Come in. Welcome to 24-hour kitchen, everybody. I'm Ringo Vision. Big up yourself. We're on the marathon to feed 1 million people. We've fed over 7,000 people so far. We're on the way all the way up to Christmas. We've completed summer season. We're here in winter season. For some reason, check the atmosphere. The sun is out today and we're loving it. All right, look on the menu today. Yeah, we've got cassava, we've got edo, cocoa, sweet potato, we've got plantain, you understand? Green banana. See the chocho there, see the dasheen there, see the thyme there. All right, come and have a look here, people. Yeah, so look, we've got some prepped vegetables that we've prepped already. You understand? So, is it hot? Okay. Mainly cold water though. It's fine, but put it all in there. Put it in. Yeah, that's fine. Good vibes. Thank you. Right, let me get cold one now, please. Yeah? Thank you. All right, people. Yeah, so we're in the heart of the ghetto. This is called Little Jamaica, Brixton, local Jamaica. Yeah, multicultural place. Yeah, where you get everybody from every part of the world. You understand? Diversity is right here in the heart of Brixton, people. Yeah, don't let that out. Of good vibes. All right, so make we start kick it off now, Dante. Yeah, that is it. Look. Fend.
Show them all go on. Show them all go on. Yes, people. So we're out here today. You know the marathon continues.
All right.
Like Ringo said, we fed 7,000 people so far. So now we're still on the road to what?
Success.
All right.
Success. 1 million. So what I'm doing right now is cutting some garlic into the pan. A good vibes. Right now we're here. We're in local Jamaica, people. Yeah, we're down local Jamaica right now. I cook up some food. You understand? That is it. Ital food, electric food.
Ital is vital.
Good food. You see it? That is it.
Going inside.
Okay, so everyone, the reason why I'm using garlic, and I use garlic as one of the base ingredients for the pot today, everyone, yeah, is because of the high volume, yeah, of antibiotic that it delivers to your body. You understand? So, immune system, we all have an immune system, whether it's a strong immune system
right.
or whether it's a low immune system.
Yes.
So today the food that we cook is to give you a strong immune system. Fend, I know that you're a person that trains a few times a week.
That's right.
So even doing physical training, that builds up your immune system.
That's right.
So doing that and then coming back to this type of food, that's giving you a strong immune system.
Yeah.
You know? Resilience.
That's right,
Give you
because
more resilience.
the stronger your immune system is, the less likely you are to catch a cold or catch a flu. You see what I'm trying to say? And then the weaker your immune system is, the more likely you are to catch a cold and catch a flu. And it's the foods that you eat as well that can prevent you from catching these colds and catching these flus. And even when you do, you will recover quicker. You know what I mean? The recovery time's longer. You might not have no chest infection and things like that because the garlic and the thyme and, you know what I mean, the red onion as well.
And just to the mere fact as well, friend, yeah, that the vegetables that we're using, they're like more organic, from the organic side of life. You understand? So we've got the pumpkin going into the pot. You understand? And then we've also got more pumpkin going into the pot.
Yeah.
You understand? So I'm gonna give Fend his gloves, because Fend's gonna cut up some garlic for me today as well. Good vibes.
Good vibes.
Yeah, that is it. So the pumpkin is what's going to give us our rich color today. So you see this color that you see from the pumpkin? That's the transformation that we're going to create into our pot from the pumpkin. Good vibes. And then we've got thyme.
Skime.
This is an anti-inflammatory. So if you've got cold, flus, them type of things there, you can boil thyme in just hot water and drink it with honey. With honey and lemon. Honey and, you can even mix the thyme with the garlic. And that's a tea. So if you don't have anything to drink in the morning, you can grate garlic, you can put some thyme in the water, put some honey in the water, and that's it. So that boosts your immune system.
And it clears the mucus off your chest
and
as
it
well.
clears the mucus off your chest as well. A good vibe. Alright, Finn, I'm gonna leave it down to you now, you know, to cut up some
Garlic,
garlic and onion. That is it, a good vibe.
We'll just cut it up and just put it straight in, yeah?
Yeah, just cut them up in there, looking nice and fine. That is. Yes, everybody, so we're outside with our Brixton right now. Yeah, man, big up the sister here. She's giving us a hand. You understand? She's invited us down to the store. Best of both boutiques, people, yeah? You can catch us here. What's the name of this road here?
Brixton Station Road.
Brixton Station Road, and that's where the Brixton Recreation Centre is. You can't miss it. We're right next door, people, yeah? That is it, a good vibes. So, Fen, how you getting on with the garlic?
I'm getting on alright. I'm not as fast as you, but it's working still.
A good vibes, a good vibes.
It's working, bro.
But remember,
The knife's not super sharp.
Yeah.
no, it's kind of sharp still, you know.
It's a bit sharp.
I'm
I'm just not used to just doing it on, like on a chopping board. I'll be quick with it.
And then obviously you've got the gloves on.
Gloves on as well, so
Yes.
it's kind of like, you know what I mean?
All right,
Nice calm.
that is it. We're outside. Big up yourself. We're in local Jamaica, people, yeah, cooking the food. Big man, you're waiting for the food. We're gonna be ready in about an hour. Yeah, a good vibes. Yeah. All right, that is it. So we got some people. Yeah. Everybody, so I got Fen on knife and
Knife duty.
and vegetables today.
Yes.
That is it. A good vibe. So yeah, man, people, we have to big up Fend here because Fend is from Natural Flavors.
Yes,
And
man.
he's also got his own catering business, people, yeah, that you need to check him out. We're going to be doing a collaboration. We're creating it at the moment to do maybe like a Christmas cook-off where you guys can find us in a pop-up and come and get some variety of foods and also support us as well. That's the way where you can support us, because you know that we don't ever sell food, but that would be a day where you guys could support us. We would have some merch out and then you guys can get some food as well. You understand? And we might be here at the best of both boutiques. You understand, people? Yeah, right here in Brixton. That is it. Today we're cooking a vegetable soup. So and it's got a lot of root vegetables in it. Don't be shy because I see you observing. It's good. We appreciate when people participate. You understand? Because what we've got there, yeah, we're using a shopping trolley. And the purpose of the shopping trolley, yeah, is just so that we can move from A to B after the food's completed, and then we can go around and feed the homeless. So you might have one homeless people here, and then we go down the road, you have three. So it allows us to commute, and that's why we do it on the shopping trolley. Literally, got a little portable gas stove, got some portable gas canisters as well, and we use those. It normally takes about 2 to 3 canisters to cook, depending on how the wind is blowing. Because sometimes if it's very windy, it takes a bit longer to cook. Yeah, but it does the job. It does the job. Yes, Fen, how are you getting on? So, Fen, what's your favorite dish that you like to cook?
Me, yeah. Do you know my favorite dish that I like to cook is brown stew chicken, you know?
Brown stew, yeah?
Yeah, I love cooking a brown stew chicken still.
All right.
My second favorite is jerk chicken.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, man. I'm on the jerk pan doing my thing. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Jerk, man. They see me jerking up around my piece with the natural flavors, them. So yeah, man. A good vibes, people.
Good vibes. So far in the pot, we've got garlic, we've got carrot, we've got red onion, and we've also got the pumpkin, everyone here. That is it, a good vibes. Put some time in as well, innit, Fend? So, yeah, man, so we put the skime.
You say you just dash it in, yeah?
Yeah, just dash it in.
Don't break it?
No, just make it boil out. Literally. So as Fend's putting in some thyme, yeah, that's calm. That's calm still. As
right,
Fend's
yeah.
putting in the thyme, I'm just cutting up some garlic anyway. Good vibes.
Good vibes.
Yeah.
Scotch bonnet.
Yeah, Scotch bonnet as well.
Put it in, yeah?
That's that in from earlier.
Yeah, you know, like get the
aroma,
Yeah,
get
get
the
the
aroma
aroma of
going. Trust me. And the Scotch bonnet in the pot though, it makes a big difference.
No, it does.
So Fend, when's the podcast coming out?
Yeah, so basically, Table Time Podcast out this Sunday, yeah? Out this Sunday.
So
yeah?
everyone
featuring
goes-
Ringo Vision. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, go and run that up, man. One thing I do want to say, Ringo's a powerful speaker. Like, he's a really powerful speaker. And where he was in an environment where he was comfortable, someone that he knows, his brother, he gave us, like, he told me a lot of things about himself that I didn't even know. Someone that's grown up with him. So yeah, and you people are gonna learn more about him, more about what his vision was or what his vision is now. Yeah, man, because it's been a long journey, Ringo.
Nah, it's been a
long journey,
it's been
bro.
a mad
You know
long
what I
journey.
mean? So, yeah, man. So that's out this Sunday. Table Time Podcast, Ringo Vision, helping humanity. Get me?
That's it.
Where's your shop, bro?
The shop. This is it here.
Yeah. Okay, it's a Jamaican stew.
We're doing some items.
Vegetable.
Vegetable soup. Yeah. You know me.
Cooking it for the homeless.
This one is
Time.
time.
Yeah.
I try to cook as a Jamaican.
Is it?
No
way.
It's not too good.
If you learn from it, he will give you the recipe.
I've got the recipe for
He's
you.
got the recipe for you.
Yeah, I've got the recipe. Come and try this in like 1 hour.
If you come back in an hour, it's ready. Come try it.
Okay.
And then we'll let you know what we put in there and everything, yeah?
It's free.
No, it's not question for money. I want to know how to cook.
Okay, come.
Yeah. Don't worry, come to you, man. Yeah?
Very much.
My brother. Blessings, yeah?
So where did the inspiration come from?
So the inspiration came from, I literally didn't start off with food, but just started off in the sense of like, just working within the music or the media industry with amongst friends and family. Really just friends, like Fend myself, he's a musician, and it was just really about helping people in my community.
Yeah.
Like, and I had the camera, and my friends had the voice. So
True.
it was like I done one part of it and they done the other part of it, literally, and that's how I saw it coming up. And then as the journey got on, other things opened up on the journey, literally. Like things like this, other things previous to this as well. And then obviously trying other things as well.
Okay, so you're doing this for free.
Yes.
You're giving out soup and food or whatever it is to
Yeah.
not only the homeless, but just those that,
To the needy.
you know,
Yes.
those that want to need.
That are less fortunate, yeah.
Yes.
But then not everyone has that heart, that spirit. Like, is that just innate in you? Have you always been like that? Or is that something that's been birthed?
I've always been like that. I as his brother, and me myself, I'm like that as well. I've always been someone that helps my community. If my friend's got a local football charity, I just go and work. He might want to pay me. I'm like, no, I'm good. Let's build up the team. Let's help the kids. Them. So same thing. It's like Ringo, as his friend, he's always been like that. Like he said, when he had his camera, he never charged us for like music videos. He never charged us for editing. He never charged us for freestyles. He came and done it off the strength of, like he said, we had the voice and he believed in us. So, and I feel that he's bringing that essence now to show the people. So the people are getting to see his character, but that's how he is. We know that it's normal for him. You know what I mean? It's like, oh, right, like he's showing everyone now.
It's contagious, isn't it? Because then when other people witness and observe, it's kind of like, rah, actually, what can I do? Like,
Yes.
let me try and do my part.
That's right.
And if we're all doing our part, then my goodness, how strong a community can we actually rebuild?
Remember, out of bare friends here, Fend is like one of the only friends that religiously come day in, day out and help. And remember, we've got loads of brethren.
Loads of friends.
We've got the same.
Yeah.
We've got the same friends.
Circle, yeah.
We grew up with the same circle. But the man them, we love the man them for who they are. But at the same time, he's out here on the field with man.
Yeah.
But then everyone has their, I guess, their role. So maybe this is where your strength is. Maybe their strength might be in something else.
Yeah.
I still yet to see it yet though.
Yeah, I hear that. Because at the end of the day, yeah, look, we're all busy in life, we've got families as well, and we're balancing it. We're balancing it with our careers, with our jobs, you know what I mean? We're all having to balance this, so at the same time, when our friends see us, yeah, they could do more to support, but they're giving us the morality, but at the same time, like...
Are they financially supporting?
Nah, I wouldn't say they're financially. Nah, no way.
No, not.
But they're giving us morality, and that's the good thing.
Yeah, morality is really good.
Like that's the main thing. They are witnessing it, and you know what? They're humbled as well. Like it all humbles them, and they appreciate what we're doing the same way. So yeah, we're on the journey, man. We're on the journey.
I'm gonna also just add some right planting in the pot, and this is just all to do with flavouring. Just let everything just boil out, and then later on, I'll start to add like the solid ingredients into the pot later on.
Jeez.
So I'll just split the banana in half.
Okay.
Literally, and then I'll just go back and just cut it so that we've got like two halves, literally.
So wait, was it mummy, grandma, granddad, dad, like?
I think it's a bit of both on both sides when it comes to parenting, like mum and dad.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's just in the genes, isn't it? Like, yeah. Because at the same time, when you learn to cook, you've got to experiment yourself when you're in the kitchen.
Definitely.
And you're going to make mistakes. You're going to burn rice pots. Like, you know, like in the journey of it, you're going to burn a steak. You're going to... So, again, yeah, it's experience. It comes with time. And when you're passionate as well, you got to want to cook as well. You got to enjoy it. I don't
Definitely.
think... Yeah. Because a lot of people, it might not be their forte. Like, I just put something in the microwave, or I just get someone else to cook. But myself as well, I enjoy food. I'm a foodie. And I love cooking as well, so...
When you put heart and passion into it,
yeah,
you can definitely taste the difference.
yes.
You know?
Venture out into different communities now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it over here, Fend. Because we're closer to Brixton now, and there's a tube station right there. You just jump on the tube, get straight to Victoria.
Put the pulley in the tube.
Literally.
But yeah, we tackled Croydon. How long was you doing Croydon for? Like over 10 weeks? 12 weeks? 12 weeks, yeah. We tackled Croydon. Now we're tackling Brixton.
Literally.
So, what's the long-term goal?
Long-term goal is to actually feed 1 million people, reach out to 1 million people across the world, and actually make a difference in their lives, not just with the food, but also with all other things happening in and out around life.
Yeah, because they don't really want to discuss the situation. So we're just here to just kind of give everyone respect at the same time, and and still build a rapport with them.
Alright, that is it. Let me give the pot a little stir
Okay.
so you can see where I go on now. So this is like basically all the seasoning's gone into the pot. And then the last thing that I'm going to put in,
Smell the thyme as well,
the
boy.
last thing that's going to go in, so let's just put a bit more thyme in there, that is it. The last thing that's going to go in is the turnip. So turnip is one of them unique, describe this flavour, Fend.
It smells very earthy.
Earthy, yeah?
Yeah, it smells earthy. It smells
Right.
like the ground.
Yeah.
Yes, so because
It's
this
a root veg,
it's
isn't
a
it?
root, it's a root, it's coming from the underneath the ground.
Like a potato kind
Yes.
of,
So can you imagine this is grown in total darkness? This must be really good for you.
Yes.
Bearing in mind that it's got all these nutrients from out of the earth itself. Alright, so yeah man, we're just putting in the
Turnip now.
Turnip, I just cut it like this. Just so that it can, a bit of turnip can go into everyone's pot, you know, in everyone's cup, you know, like that, Fend?
Yeah. It also will help fill them up as well. You know what I mean? With the potato, turnip, yeah.
What's your background, Ringo?
I'm Jamaican, Caribbean.
No, I see. Other than being a chef,
Yeah.
a portable chef, like,
Yeah.
what do you do? What are you known for?
I'm known for this.
Oh, is it?
Chef.
Always just being a chef?
I'm just known to work within the media, like camera, photographer, that side of stuff, and just working with people through the media industry, musicians.
Okay, and you still do that?
Yeah. Don't really talk about it that much, but yeah, it's still part of my life. And what we're gonna do,
Stir up.
and what we're gonna do now is just gonna make this just go and boil up for about half an hour, 45 minutes.
Yeah.
And then when that just does its thing, we
Yeah.
can start adding in like the solid, like some of the solid stuff like the cassava, the sweet potato, the cocoa, the dasheen as well.
So dasheen that.
Um,
Some more planting.
plantain, and we've got yam as well, and we've also got some coconut.
Oh, coconut, yeah?
Yeah, we're gonna put some coconut in there.
That's new to me.
Yeah, good stuff. Sweet
Cassava.
potato, cassava, yam, cocoa, dasheen, coconut. Cause you know, say Rasta love coconut.
Cutting up there, Ringo.
So what this is here is the cassava.
So I cut up some cassava.
Yeah.
Everyone just keep tapping that screen up. Let's go. Hashtag FYP.
Peeling the cassava. Cassava's got one of them weird ways of peeling them. You understand? It's a good vibe, said way.
Cut it up smaller.
Yes. That's the cassava in.
Is that one there, Ringo?
Yeah, man. So this one here that we're putting in the pot right now is some cocoa. Cocoa root vegetable we are dealing with. Non-joke. Cocoa, nice. The cocoa we are dealing with, Fend. Can you smell the pot?
Smells banging.
Banging.
Can't lie to you, it smells nice.
Pot got smell.
Smells healthy.
Pot got smell of some vegetable soup.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice.
Thank you. Dante, sweet potato. Put one sweet potato in there, yeah? And this will probably mash out in there as well. Give a piece, give a bit of the body. Yeah, man, so add to the flavor, sweet potato. That's it. Rotted surfing. It says splashback.
Flashback.
What is that? So this is the white yam that I'm adding to the pot now as well.
Okay.
Yeah. This is part of the filler. You know when people are wondering, how is this soup gonna fill me up?
Yeah.
So it's things like this, the yam, the sweet potato, the dasheen, the edo, the cocoa. You understand? Them things there, the things them that fill you up when you're cooking a pot of food like this. You understand? A good vibe. Yeah man, a good vibe.
You can come link the man them. We was looking for you yesterday. Big up.
So the last thing that I'm putting in the pot right now, yeah, is the okra.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm just adding the okra. Bless.
Yes, my brother, what you saying? You good, yeah?
Give thanks, bro. So the okra here is the last ingredient, and after I put the okra in here, I'm just gonna slowly just mash out the pumpkin because the pumpkin is nice and soft now. Everything's boiling up in the pot, Fend.
Yes.
Look at this now. So look, you see the pumpkin now?
Yeah.
See it, look.
Wow, let's get closer. Let's get closer to this.
Break the pumpkin down. And as we break the pumpkin down, as we break down the pumpkin now, on the walls of the pot, see how soft that is, Fend?
Yes.
Like mashed potato. But all of that colour goes into our pot. And that's where the transformation comes into play. A good vibes, everybody, big up yourself. Yeah man, an ital soup we are cooking right now. Yes Rasta, this already in about 15 minutes. This already in about 15 minutes. So you can stick around for a cup, you know.
Yeah man.
Yeah, we're giving this to the community. This is for the community.
For the community. Big up Russ.
We're not selling it, it's for the community.
It's free.
I'm impressed.
Thank you, my brother. You gonna come and try some?
Yes, I think I will.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Make sure you come
because
back.
I've just been eating something. I'm not.
Okay, so as you can see now, the pumpkin's starting to mash up inside the soup.
Yes.
And the colour is now starting to formulate.
Yes.
So this is why we don't use the soup pumpkin mix.
Why we don't need we don't need to use it, Fend.
We don't need it.
And it's about using the right amount of pumpkin so that you can get the actual consistency and the colour that you're actually looking for, everyone here. It's important. So Fend, you see the garlic and the red onion and them things there?
Yeah.
They boil out into the pot already. The green banana in the skin.
Yeah, let's check.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah man, you can see that is the garlic and them thing there from earlier.
Yeah, when we cut up.
More or less dissolved. We've got a local here now as well. Huh? You here?
Yes, bro.
Alright, so look, where's everyone else? We need to feed not just you, everyone else as well. So
you want me to bring people here?
yeah, only in 10 minutes. Look. Look. So just give this about the next 15 minutes. 10 minutes. I'm ready to start serving in 10 minutes. Yeah. So if you can gather everyone around for me, and then let's start serving up.
Right.
Yeah, please.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to do my best for you, but
Thank you. Do your best. Thank you.
I'll let them know today.
Thank you. Ooh, look at that, people. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, man. A good vibe. So we're going to start sharing out this good. Woo!
We've got some soup, yeah? And some bread. Soup and bread. You want soup? Yeah?
Yes, people. So, Fend, big up yourself. We're there.
brother, come
We're
over
going to
here,
start
get
sharing out
ready.
the food in a minute.
All right, let me get the cups ready.
Yeah. A good
Put in some
vibe.
work, you get me?
So, Fend's just patting up the pulley. Understand? Get the cups them ready. And start dashing out some food. You understand? A good vibes, everyone. Get me a seasoning as well, Fend. Let me just. No, I got it in the rucksack actually.
No, there's one here. There's a little piece in there.
Yeah, put that little piece in there. Yeah, man, we're outside. That is it.
Over there.
Sprinkle that, Fend.
Sprinkle him in, you get me?
Sprinkle him in.
You know what I mean? With style as well, with
Style.
swag.
Style and swag.
swag. Let's put him all in.
That
Yeah,
is
man.
it.
Stir him up now. If there's anyone else you know that wants food, there's them as well, yeah?
All right, so let's go. A good vibes, people here. So we're gonna start sharing out the food in a minute. Yeah, man, I'm here with Fend. You understand? We've had a marvelous day here cooking in the ghettos of Brixton. You understand? Original backyard, local Jamaica. We're there to cook up this food here, people. Yeah, you understand? Beer vibes, beer energy, beer culture. That is it. A good vibes.
Soup settings.
Yes, everyone. So what's happening now? I'm just sharing out the soup.
Yes.
Good vibes. So we've had a marvelous day cooking this food here, and now it's time to just hand it out, people. Yeah, that is it. Good vibes.
Good vibes.
There you go, sir.
Boss
Thank
man's
you.
got his soup.
You're welcome. Thank you.
There's some bread in there,
And your
boss,
mate
as well. Did you want soup? Yeah, man. Yeah. It's free, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, there's bread in there as well, you know. So yes, as you can see, Ringo dishing out the soup now. People are getting their soup. Yes, boss. Cheese. My brothers. Yes, my brother. Thank you, my brothers, as well.
Boss. All right. So yes, Fend. So we're here. We're completed, as you can see. We've got a full pot of soup right now,
And we're gonna empty this.
and the mission is to empty this.
Yes.
That is it. A good vibe.
And the people them
Yeah,
eat
man.
now.
Big up to each and every one of you that's been watching on the lives, on the videos, that's been supporting. Now is the time to back on it again. Finish cooking, start serving. Good vibes.
Good vibes.
Fend, let me share you a little cup
All right.
quickly, because guess what? I've been out here from the morning, so I'm just doing a little cup for you there quickly.
Love.
Get that out of the way.
Z, you want a cup?
Hey, dog, you want to know that?
You want some bread as well?
Yes, please, bro.
Here you go.
Thank you. If you don't mind. Thank you, brother.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah.
Blessings.
They want soup over there as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Bring the bread with you.
All right.
Yeah? And you lot share the bread on that table.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All
good
right.
vibe. Skateboarding and all that. Whoosh, man.
Whoosh.
No, it's not. It's on you, bro. If you look at it properly, bro.
Now look what we're doing.
MI5's watching.
Look what we're doing. We're dealing with it. We're dealing with it outside. Look at the sunset in the background. Look at the Come on.
This is what God put us on the earth to do. Do you understand?
Yes.
Allow all the war and all of that, man. It's dead.
So yes, Rasta. This is where we're serving up the food.
Yeah. Come on, my bro. Family, bro. You want a scotch bonnet inside?
No. Scott, one for me. You know what you do with
Good vibes. Give him some
Good
bread.
vibe. Up yourself. Oh, Nick, take some banana as well.
Okay.
Yeah?
Give the cup. Can I get
This is the comeback to life.
It's gonna bring you back.
New coat, man.
It's gonna bring you back, my brother.
We're gonna have some clothes given out in about a week or so.
No, I got clothes, man. I got clothes.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. A
It's
good
a
vibe.
suit, man. That is what I need. You want to know what I need, man? I got a Swift the other day, so I'm getting a big gun just for it.
You want the next one?
You want some soup, sir?
It's so nice.
He had some. He bagged his container. He's a G.
No, they're from the container.
They made my day.
Bag the doggy bag. You got a doggy bag.
Oh, bless you.
You like it?
An absolute wonderful day out here. You understand? Here in Brixton, we're about the recreation centre. Good vibes, that is it, people, yeah. Pot of soup there on the fire, good vibes.
That is it, Ringo. So what's happening right now then?
Come and have a look,
The last, yeah?
last little cuts.
I'm going to take this down to the people by the police station.
Yes.
Because they never move
Yes.
and they drink alcohol all the time.
Okay.
And they need nutrition. Take it down to them,
Yeah.
give it out,
Yeah.
and they're blessed.
Good vibes.
But have we got to the water? Place.
So what you saying, Rings? We're just dishing up the last cups of the pot, yeah?
Why don't you film it walking it down? Yeah, we can walk
Yeah,
down.
we're gonna stroll down with it, yeah.
Max,
What, man?
we're going to take it down to the police station where the people drink. They don't move.
You do it?
Take it to the police station.
Alright, so we've got the last of the food here. The pot's completely empty, everyone. And yeah, man, we're gonna go and hand out the food.
Ringo does
the
have a
last
knife
couple,
somewhere.
the last couple soups.
Where's that knife, that little knife?
Yeah, good nice, yeah.
You wanna swim?
Trust this guy.
Alright, so we're quickly just gonna make a quick little walk and hand out the rest of the food quickly. This gentleman knows where everyone is, so good vibes. Is that a shortcut down there or no?
You can do. But back street, yeah. A lot of people pee down there. So.
Yeah.
See how quick the food went though?
Yeah, the food went very quickly, innit?
Yeah. Bless the ends, innit?
Yeah.
I'm going for soup.
Well, you can eat it here and drink it.
Hey guys.
This is
Yeah.
mate, by the chef there.
Yeah. Bless you.
Thank you.
Got banana.
Help yourself.
Free.
Come on, man.
I got 2 bananas and mine 3. I got 3 bananas.
Okay.
I just come from the bus. I just arrived. Nobody there.
You should be.
Have a look. Don't worry.
I never worry.
Cheers, mate.
Bless you. Take care.
Thank you very much.
Sure? Basically. No, Sure? Need bread? Need bread? No. Okay.
You gave me twice already. Thank you very much.
Sure?
Thank you very much.
Okay.
God bless you.
So yeah, man, we just come out here and we're just right outside Brixton Police Station, and we came out with 6 cups, empty pot of soup, came out with a few bananas, and we was able to just hand out the last few cups of soup. You understand? Outside looking for people right now. Understand quickly. Last cup of soup.
I made soup. Sure?
As you can see that some people, they don't want the soup. Other mental issues and problems going on, but this is why we need a team that can come out and help support and even find out what that issue is. You understand? A good vibe. We're outside, said we. Yes, Brixton. Yeah, man, the place complete, people. Yeah. Pick up yourselves. One love, people. Yeah. Our good vibes.